Alright guys, so I'm going to show you how to connect the Beats Studio Pro to your iPhone. And this also works for most other similar Beats. Now it's pretty simple, so first on your iPhone just open up your settings. Then go to General and Software Update. Just make sure your iOS is up to date. Then you're going to go back to your main settings page and go to Bluetooth. And just make sure it's turned on. Alright, now for your Beats. Now you notice right here. So there's this system button, this power button. Now you're just going to hold this for 1 second. And it should automatically come up on your iPhone. Now if that does not work, then so you notice like the lights are flashing. If they're not flashing, then your battery is not charged. But you can also try holding down for 3 to 5 seconds. And that should also bring it up. Alright, then just press connect. Alright, so it's giving you some tips, just press skip. And it's saying if you want to end the call by pressing once or pressing twice, so I'll do 2 times. And it's press continue. And if you want this special offer, but I'll do not now. And hey guys, so there is to it. If you want more Beats tips, just press in the top right. And yeah, thanks for watching.